Hey everyone, so I just received my first FabFitFun box and my neighbor was getting them and she was just chatting me up about it and I was like, alright, I gotta check this out for myself. So this big old turquoise box ended up on my doorstep once I ordered from FabFitFun. For those of you who don't know, you can sign up for seasonal boxes, so you get like 4 boxes a year, it's $40. You get to choose some of the things, like they'll say, hey, do you want product A or product B instead? So you do get some choice in there, but a lot of it is just surprise. So let's see what we got. So the first thing I pull out of the box is this Dr. Brandt Luminizer Primer. Now I've never used this before, so already I'm kind of digging the box because it's giving me things that, one, I didn't even notice this at Sephora, and 2, it gives me something fun to try. So got a little primer here. So next up in the box is a Free People eye mask. So let's pop this open. It's actually really soft. It's got a little stretchy band to it. Since it gets so bright so early because of the summer months, I think this is actually going to come in handy. Maybe some airplane travel too, so I definitely see myself using this. Next in the box is a silicone beauty applicator from Makeup Drop. I actually already have 2 of these. Now I have an extra one, but this one's got a little glitter in it. Makeup Drop I do love. Not so much for putting on makeup, but I love it for skincare actually. I put these in the fridge, get them nice and cold, and when I'm applying serums, I actually love to do it with these because it doesn't absorb any of my skincare. With it being cold, it's just a spa-like experience. This is, I think it's called Ahava or Ahave. It's a mineral hand cream with Dead Sea water. I actually used to use this brand. They had a oil, they had a dry oil that I really, really liked. It has a really light smell. Doesn't smell like water. Next in the box is a Foreo Luna. This one you can actually connect to an app. I do have a Foreo, but I do not have the one that you connect to an app. He's not rechargeable, so it's kind of nice to have one as a backup. But this is nice, it's small, it'll be great for travel size. So another thing I got was a Spongele. I'm thinking it's how they say it, Spongele. It's Beyond Cleanser, it's a body wash infused buffer. This one is papaya yuzu. Smells very papaya. Look, it's a little flower. So from what I've seen of other ones, I'm assuming once I get it wet, it's just going to be covered in smelly, lovely body wash for me, and then I can like loofah myself and wash all over. Also might be great for traveling. I might keep this for my next trip. Alright, there was a big item in here. It is a makeup travel skincare bag. It's actually pretty deep, like not bad. So I'm thinking this is gonna be my new travel bag because I can fit like full size in here. See it. I think I can probably fit everything from this box in this bag. And I can fit like some samples and some other things over here in these cute little pockets. So I really do like this. Alright, so last up in my FabFitFun box is a body wash actually from Korres. It is Japanese rose scented. I have to admit I didn't even know that they made body wash. So again, new to me. Smell it. It's a really light rose scent. I actually really like this. So you saw my plethora of things. So I think there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I got 8 things in my FabFitFun box. Like all but 2 or 3 of them are new to me. So that's pretty cool. I love that they're full size. I love that it's new things that I can experiment with or kind of expands my horizon. And I get to find out different products that brands are making. For $40, I'm really excited because it comes 4 times a year. So 4 times a year, I'm gonna have some fun new things that I can try out. I can get down with that. They do have different levels of FabFitFun boxes. Like if you want more stuff, if you're like Jamie, that's it. They do have different levels that you can get into and you get more things or more boxes. I was just basic, and this is like their entry level, $40, 4 times a year kind of box. So whenever you sign up for one of these boxes, they always give you a code like, hey, tell your friends. So I'll put that code in the link below. Alright, well this was a lot of fun. I'm also part of Stitch Fix, and I'm signing up for Trunk Club. So if you guys are interested in those boxes too, let me know. This was just fun for me because this is my first box, and I was like, ooh, what's in here? And seeing it's skincare related, thought you guys might want to know that there's a cool subscription like this. Alright, I'm going to go have fun with all of my new products. So I will chat with you guys later. Bye!